Well, here we are under the hydropower right-of-way, looking out over Saanich Inlet. I've hiked into here because I want to take some drone shots of Sawluctus Island. And Sawluctus Island is, you can just see the top of the trees on that island, way down in Saanich Inlet. So I'm on the east side of Saanich Inlet. For those familiar with the area, right across the inlet is the Malahat Drive, Highway 1, heading to northern Vancouver Island. You might wonder why I'm launching directly under power lines. Well, the problem is if I went any further to my right, I'd be inside of a provincial park, because I'm right by the border of the provincial park now. And I can't really go to my left because there's a sort of steep drop-off right there. And I don't want to injure myself and be stuck alone way out here. Also, I can't take video from the other side because that's all inaccessible or private property. So, wish me luck. We'll see how this goes. Well, that was fun. So one thing I learned on that flight is that not every cable is at the same height. I don't know if you can see on the left of the cables, there's a cable with orange markers. On the right, there's one with white markers. They seem to represent the maximum height, but all of the cables between them dip much lower, as I discovered during the flight in a bit of a scary moment. So there we go, lesson learned, and next time I'll know better. Anyway, that was fun, mainly because I didn't lose a drone, so I'd consider that a successful flight.